Alright guys, just want to give you a quick update on the trade that we set up and took a little while ago in the live sessions. If you have a look at the chart in front of you, the 4-hour USD chart, and you look at that candle that I'm busy pointing out to you right now, that beautiful pin bar as we call it, or a sword pattern. We set that one up. If you watched the last video, you would have seen that it was set up there off the 200 EMA, a level of support, as well as the daily trend line, which is in this area as well. And so when we saw that, especially when it's on a swing low, imagine here's a swing down, and there's a level of support, and there's confluence of support because they had the daily trend line, and there's a beautiful pattern. You know, that's money in the bank, guys. We trade these patterns so successfully and repeatedly at the My Daily Method Trader Traders Haven, and in the live sessions we do it as well. And so you know, we took the trade without hesitation, and as you can see, we were tested by this candle here, but we did not move our stop loss up and take the loss, because why? Remember, we had the levels of support, and so unless those levels were broken, we were not interested in getting out of this trade. And so as you can see, it was a wise decision because the levels of support held. It tested again, but it held, and it continued up north for us. And so we've been up to about 125 pips in profit already. As you can see, we're in a little bit of a retracement now, a small retracement on the 4-hour candle. Not to be unexpected. This is what we expected, because why? Well, if you look at that blue area, we just broke through a PPA. And when you get a breakthrough on a PPA, generally speaking, not always, but generally speaking, you get a retest of that area and hopefully a bounce and continuation pattern. So what we were hoping to see is a breakthrough, a bounce, and a continuation pattern to the next PPA, which is this area about here. And so we're getting the retest as we expected. Now we're just waiting to see if we get a bounce off the 23, off the PPA, or even off the EMAs that you see on your chart, the black and red lines. And then we will hopefully see a test up of the top PPA there. And that'll give us anywhere between 250 and 300 pips profit off this trade, which is great. We've got a number of pips locked in. As you can see at the moment, there's our stop loss, locking in a good few pips. So this is a stress-free trade. So if you want to learn how to trade these patterns, how to set them up, how to manage these trades so that you can get consistent profits, come join us at the MDM thread at fab-tradershaven.com, or come join us in the live market trading group where we do these things in the live market.